Assalamualaikum my dear students, I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Open your English practice book. Open page 23. In our previous lecture we did question number 1. So today we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is use suitable question tags to complete the following sentences. Here we have some sentences and we have to write their possible question tags. First one is she is collecting stickers. So this is a positive statement and question tag would be negative. What we need two things, helping verb and subject. As it's a positive statement, so question tag would be negative. We will write is not but in a contracted form isn't, and subject is she. Isn't she? She is collecting stickers, isn't she? Next is we often watch TV in the afternoon. This is another positive statement, but we don't have any helping verb over here. So if we don't have any helping verb in a sentence, so we will check whether the sentence is past tense or present tense. So as you can see, this is a present tense, so we will use do or does. Do is used with plural nouns and does is used with singular nouns. So we don't need does in this sentence. We need do because do is used with singular plural nouns and the subject is plural. So the tag question would be negative. So we will use don't and subject is we. We often watch TV in the afternoon, don't we? Next is you have cleaned your bike. Helping verb is have and subject is you. As it's a positive statement, the question tag would be negative. So we will write haven't you. As I wrote, you have cleaned your bike, haven't you? Next is John and Max don't like mathematics. Okay, now this is a negative statement, so the question tag would be positive one. So we will write helping verb do and we will use pronoun for these two boys, John and Max, so we will use they. Do they. John and Max don't like mathematics, do they? Next, Peter played handball yesterday. As you can see, we don't have any helping verb over here. So what we have to do, we will check whether the sentence is past tense or present tense. So this is a past tense because the verb second or third form is used over here. So we will use did. And we have to write negative tag question, so we will write did not, and we will turn this did not in contracted form didn't, and subject is he. As you can see, it's a noun, so we will never write noun in a tag question. We will use pronoun. As you can see, this is a noun, Peter, so we will use pronoun for it. We will use pronoun for Peter and pronoun is he. Didn't he? Peter played handball yesterday, didn't he? Next is they are going home from school. Positive statement. Question tag would be negative. Aren't they? Are not. Turn to contracted form aren't and subject is they. Aren't they? Mary did not or didn't. Mary didn't do her homework last Monday. As you can see, this is a negative statement. We will use only helping verb and subject. Subject is Mary, but we will use pronoun for her. Pronoun is she. because in tag question we cannot use noun, we always use pronoun. So this the question would be, Mary didn't do her homework last Monday, did she? Next is, he could have bought a new car. It's a positive statement, so question tag would be negative. We use could not in contracted form, couldn't and subject he. He could have bought a new car, couldn't he? Second last is, Kevin will come tonight. So helping verb is will, we will use will not. In contracted form, won't. And Kevin is subject, it's a noun, we will use pronoun for Kevin and pronoun is he. As you can see here, won't he. Kevin will come tonight, won't he? Sarah was laughing the whole time. Present statement, so the question tag would be negative. Wasn't she? Sarah is a noun, so we will use pronoun over here, she. As you can see, Sarah was laughing the whole time, wasn't she? So let me give you a task. Open page number 24. Here we have a homework worksheet. You have to write suitable question tags for these sentences, and you can take help from page number 23. This is page number 23, so you can take help from page number 23. Now I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.